Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making cream squash soup, and this stole the show at Thanksgiving. It was the best out of anything. So even though it looks pretty normal, it was the best thing recently. I really recommend. So here are some peppers, and we're just blackening them directly on the flame. One onion. We're going to blacken these vegetables. And I usually use bell peppers. We're also going to put a habanero. This is a buttercup squash, and it's been baked already for about an hour. Just add it to the food processor. Now you can eat those skins, the outside of the squash, if it's organic, but it's not going to blend in a nice smooth cream soup. You don't have to get rid of it though, you could eat it. And here's also butternut squash. So we use two different kinds for this, but you could use either or. And that was about 3 cups or 4 cups of squash. Half a can of coconut cream. You can use the entire can because we added more later. Blitz it in the food processor till it's, oh yes, look how nice and creamy smooth that looks. Excellent. Here are 2 plum tomatoes, a habanero, and the other vegetables, blackened. We're going to throw them in the food processor. So much flavor, natural, fresh flavor. And blitz it away. Oh, this has me salivating already. In go the tomatoes. Gonna have to cut these into chunks. They are quite hot if you just blacken them, so be careful. This is the ridiculous way to cut them. And blitz away. Alright, into the pan they go. And we're going to heat this up and also add the spices. What do you think? Comment below. I just went live earlier and it was awesome. If you were there, leave a like and definitely stay tuned because I'm going to go live again. Add some hot water. Mix this up until it's nice and smooth. And I appreciate all of the new subscribers recently and all the people commenting, especially the people live. It was great. Everyone was so positive, and I just got such a buzz off of that conversation. Really got a good energy. Here is some dry basil. Pinch or 2 of ginger, a pinch of clove. Be careful not to add too much. Some thyme. And finally, some sage. And if you have it fresh, you can add it in the food processor phase. If those spices are new for you, you can add them a little bit at a time and see how they taste. Fresh is always best, but sometimes that's not available or in season. some sea salt, starting to boil, bubbling slightly. All right, now we're getting there. This is very spicy from the habanero, but some more cream does the trick. And like I said, this turned out to be the best recipe of the entire Thanksgiving feast. So it's definitely worth a try. Squash is very underrated. I used to hate it as a child, but this is, I mean, it's very versatile. It lasts a long time on the shelf. It's reasonably priced. However, the buttercup squash can be expensive in the US. But I'm going to try growing some next year. Look at this Thanksgiving spread. Those were the biscuits, the pie, the fake nut mashed potatoes, the vegan sausage gravy, the blooming onions. All of this, these videos are coming soon. Stay tuned, and there's a holiday playlist in the description. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you know next time I go live, and so that you know when I publish the next recipe. If you have a favorite recipe that you'd like me to do an alkaline version of, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best. I've done some other people's requests already and they've turned out fantastic. So I'm actually excited to make some recipes for you, and we both win. I get to eat something amazing, you get to eat something amazing. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you want to shift completely to the alkaline way, I have an Alkaline Life transformation program. A couple people have reached out to me recently. I don't accept everyone in the program, but you can get a free consultation. The link is at the bottom of the description. I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose.